If you don't like waiting but still want results, then keep watching. The law of attraction is all about positive thinking. Imagine your goals as already achieved. Visualize it, feel it, and believe it. Your thoughts send out vibes that the universe picks up. So, think big, think bright. Start with simple steps. Write down what you want. Use positive affirmations daily like I am successful or I am happy. Keep a gratitude journal to focus on what you already have. This shifts your mindset from lack to abundance. Surround yourself with positivity. Hang out with uplifting people, read inspiring books, and stay away from negativity. Remember, the universe responds to your energy. So radiate good vibes. Stay patient and persistent. Trust the process. Believe in your dreams. And watch the magic happen. You've got this. Manifest your dreams and live the life you desire.